Hello, good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about trigonometric ratios, and it is a series. It is my lecture 4. Lecture 3 you have already seen, so just concentrate. See, I am drawing a right angled triangle. It is triangle ABC, and here angle B is right. That is, angle B is 90 degree, right? And as I told you earlier, in every right angle triangle there are three sides. One side is longest and known as hypotenuse. I am indicating it by H. And if I am standing here at this point, C point, then this side is known as perpendicular. I am indicating it by P. And this side, which is part of this angle where I am standing, this side is known as base. I will refer it by B. So in every right angle triangle, we have P, we have H, and we have B. Perpendicular, hypotenuse, and base. Now suppose we have these three letters, or we have these three numbers. So how many different ratios we can create by taking two of them? Because for making any ratio or any fraction, we need two numbers. We need two things. One is numerator and second is denominator. So suppose we have these three letters, then how many different ratios we can form? Ratios कैसे बनाएंगे? किन्हीं दो को लेके. Suppose I am taking P and H, then we have this ratio P by H or H by P we can make. Second, suppose I take B and H, then B and H can be written as B by H or H by B. And suppose I choose P and B, then P and B can be written as P by B or B by P. So we have these total 6 ratios, and you can think, can you make any other ratio taking any 2 out of these 3? Then ultimately you will see that only 6 ratios are possible, right? Only 6 ratios are possible. Now see, again I am making a right angled triangle. This is right angle triangle, and again this angle B I am taking. You can give any name. This is B point, this is A point, this is C point. Now I am standing here, and so many times I have repeated, if I am standing here, then this is perpendicular, this is base, and if I am standing here at this point, then this is perpendicular and this is base. So it is H. Now I am thinking, I am considering only this angle, and I am standing here at A, this point. Then this side will be base B, and this side will be perpendicular P. And I am here. I am looking from here. Then just you have seen how many ratios we can create. We can create 6 ratios. P by H and H by P, B by H and H by B, P by B and B by P. Only 6 ratios are possible. Now we will name them. These ratios are called trigonometric ratios. For angle A, if I write sine of angle A, here I am writing full name, sine of angle A, it is nothing but the ratio of P by H, perpendicular to hypotenuse. If I see in this figure, then it is ratio of side BC to side AC. साइड BC और AC का रेशियो, BC और AC का रेशियो मीन्स लेंथ ऑफ BC and length of AC, length of perpendicular and length of hypotenuse. This ratio is known as sine of angle A. If I write the acronym means contracted name or short name. जैसे if I say my name is Vishal Chandra Srivastava and my acronym will be VCS. In the same way, full name is sine of angle A, and in acronym we will write it as simply sine A. I have taken only 3 initials of letter sine and angle A. It should be in your mind that the full name of this thing is sine of angle A. It is P by H, right? Next ratio is cosine of angle A. It is what? It is B by H. इस रेशियो का नाम cosine of angle A है. It is ratio of base to hypotenuse. Base to hypotenuse, if we see the figure, then it is AB by EC. And its acronym, cosine का acronym क्या है? cos A. cos A का full नाम cosine of angle A, it is B by H, right? Then third ratio, its name is tangent of angle A, and it is what? अब देखिए हम P by H I have taken, B by H I have taken, then it is P by B, the ratio of perpendicular to base in a right angle triangle. The ratio of perpendicular to base is called tangent of angle A, and according to our figure, it is BC by AB. BC by AB. And in short, tangent का short acronym क्या है? tan. Tan A is P by B. So these are 3 fundamental trigonometric ratios, and again I am continuing in this series. See, again I am drawing this figure so that you can understand it well. This is point A, this is point B, P is right angle, and this is point C, this is hypotenuse, this is base, and this is perpendicular for this angle A. So we have seen sine of angle A, it is P by H. Cosine of angle A, only angle A I am considering this time. Cosine of angle A, B by H, and tangent of angle A is P by B. Now we'll see cotangent of angle A. Angle A का cotangent क्या होगा? It is ratio of base to perpendicular. Means in terms of sides, we can write it as AB by BC. And its acronym is cot A. Cot A is B by P. Then next ratio is secant of angle A. Secant of angle A, it is hypotenuse to base. In terms of sides, it is AC by AB. And in short, acronym of secant is sec A. Sec A, it is ratio of hypotenuse to base. And last ratio, it is cosecant. Full name is cosecant. Cosecant of angle A, it is hypotenuse to perpendicular. The ratio of hypotenuse to perpendicular. And in terms of sides, it is AC to BC. And its acronym is cosec. Cosec A is equal to H by P. And see, in this name, I have taken first three initials, and all other five trigonometric ratios, we have considered only first three letters. But in this case, we have considered five letters. Why? Because there should not be confusion between cos and cosec. Cosec is the acronym of cosecant, and cos is the acronym of cosine. So these are six trigonometric ratios. So again I am writing them, just you see. Sin A is equal to P by H. Cos A is equal to what? B by H. And tan A, simply I am writing, it is P by B. And if you minutely observed, then cosec A, cosec is nothing but the reverse of, but the, or we can say multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of sin A, it is H by P. ये साथ साथ मैंने लिखा है, आप देख सकते हैं. And sec A is what? H by B, it is reciprocal of cos A. And cot A is equal to B by P, it is reciprocal of tan A. Sin A का reciprocal cosec A, or we can say reciprocal of cosec A is sin A. Reciprocal of cos A is sec A, and reciprocal of sec A is cos A. Reciprocal को हम multiplicative inverse भी कह सकते हैं. Reciprocal and multiplicative inverse are same thing. Tan A, reciprocal of tan A is cot A, and reciprocal of cot A is tan A. Okay, so we'll continue in next video, and so that this is what I have told. This is by definition. Ratios I have explained by definition. In next video we'll continue. Thank you.